Installing solarZero panels and a smart battery at your home is such an exciting day. Here's what you can expect on installation day. Our team of installers will arrive at your home between 8 and 10 a.m. We need you to be home so the team can access your switchboard and other access points. Our installation team will start by completing final checks of your roof. If there are any changes to the initial design, they will take you through these. The installation of the solarZero panels and smart battery should take 1 day. If there is bad weather or the team needs more time, they'll organise to come back to your home to complete the solarZero installation. Your key account manager will take care of all of this for you. Please make sure any dogs are inside and away from our installation team. Once installation is complete, our key account managers will work with you to book the meter change and inspection. These are completed by third parties, so we don't have control over the dates of when this is able to happen. Once the inspection is complete, your home will be running on sunshine.